guys, welcome back to my new video. And guys, today I have made a for the cycle. I have made a horn because on the turn we can't see the other cars and bicycles, so normally accidents are happening. So seeing that we have made a cycle horn, so I will show you. Let's go. So I have made this mechanism. This is battery. This is a 2 volt or 5 volt buzzer, 5 volt buzzer, and this is a switch. So I will show its diagram also, means how I have connection done. So here we go. So you can see this is connection, and you can take screenshot also. I will explain you. This is the buzzer and this is the battery. One wire I have fixed to the buzzer, and another wire of the buzzer I have fixed to the switch, and the another wire of the switch I have pasted on the negative terminal of the battery. So you can take screenshot also. We have fixed this on the we will fix this on that. So let's go. So we will apply here inside this. And this battery. So we will fix this tape here, so that on the shock absorbers it will not pull the pressure. Like this we'll apply over here. So guys, I have fixed this battery, and I will fix this wire also. So I will gonna fix this wire like this. So I will meet you after fixing this. So guys, you can see I have fixed this wire. Now I will fix this switch. So I will fix this. So I will fix this for the extra security, because on the shock absorbers it will put the pressure and it will fall also down also. So guys, we have fixed this, and I will this is buzzer, and I have fixed it tape, because when rain will come it will not affect, and I will show it's working also. So when I on it, it looks like and off, on and off. So our homemade means our cycle horn is ready. Hope you like my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and peace.